Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a search bar to your Wix website. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open up the dashboard of your website on Wix.com. So guys, after opening the dashboard, we want to go ahead and open up our website in edit mode. And we will do that by clicking this button right here in the upper right corner called edit site. So guys, go ahead and click on edit site right here, and as you can see here guys, now this will open up our website in editor mode in a new tab. You will guys know you're in editor mode by all the options on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website. So guys, after doing that, now we will start adding our search bar. First you have to go ahead into this option right here called add apps. So go ahead and click on that option right there, and this will open up the Wix app market. So guys, we are going to go ahead and search for applications, and we are going to type in search bar. Go ahead and click on enter, and this will give you the results to all the search bars that you can add to your Wix website. So let's say we want to add Wix site search to our Wix website. Just go ahead and click on that, and in the new page click on add to site. So guys, you can see here now it is adding Wix site search to our Wix website. We're just going to wait until it is finished. And now guys, as you can see, after it is finished downloading, now this search bar will appear on your website. You can edit it, you can go into settings and edit your search results and so on and so on. As you can see, I can't load it. That's because you need Wix Premium for you to use search bars on your website. But guys, if you have Wix Premium, then you will have no problem adding this add-on to your website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.